Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're taking to the skies with a fantastic new drone that's making some serious waves, the new D5 drone. This powerhouse is a game changer, especially for anyone looking for professional level features in a user-friendly package. Let's dive in and see what this drone can do. Pro-grade camera and unmatched control. First off, let's talk about the visuals. The D5 comes equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable dual camera. This means you can switch perspectives and adjust your shooting angle remotely, giving you complete creative control over your shots. With an 8K HD camera, you can capture stunning, high-definition photos and videos that look like they were shot on a much more expensive rig. But what truly sets this drone apart is its large screen remote control. You don't have to connect your phone to get a live view. The remote has a built-in display where you can see your flight image in real time and even adjust your shooting parameters directly on the screen. It's a seamless and immersive flying experience that puts you in the pilot's seat. Unmatched safety and intelligent features. The D5 is built with safety in mind. It features four-sided sensing obstacle avoidance, so the drone can automatically detect and navigate around obstacles in every direction. This provides a worry-free flying experience and significantly reduces the risk of collisions, allowing you to fly with confidence, even in complex environments. This feature, combined with its optical flow fixed-point positioning, ensures a stable flight, making it easy to capture steady shots and a must-have for beginners. Powerful performance. The D5 is built to perform. It's equipped with a 1503 brushless motor, which provides stronger power, better efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to older brushed motors. This translates to better wind resistance, more responsive control, and enhanced durability. With a flight time of approximately 15 minutes and a charging time of just 120 minutes, you'll have plenty of time in the air. Final thoughts: the ultimate all-in-one drone. The new D5 drone is a fantastic blend of professional features, safety, and a user-friendly design. Its stunning 8K camera with an adjustable dual lens, built-in screen remote control, and intelligent obstacle avoidance make it a standout choice for anyone looking to get serious about aerial photography. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let us know what you think of this amazing drone in the comments below.